Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TechWin. In this video, I'm gonna share how to make use of Google Meet application, how to create as well as join using the link in Google Meet application for online classes as well as online meetings, etc. Before we get in the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates. Okay, let's get in the video. First of all, make sure you have good internet connection, and now open Google Chrome. Switch over to your preferred ID. I'm just clicking my own TechWin channel ID. Okay, now type Google Meet. Click on the first one, Google Meet, and check whether you have logged in with the preferred ID. It's not, so I am changing mine. So you are the one who is going to organize the meeting. So click on new meeting and get a new link to share. Get a meeting link to share and copy the meeting link. First of all, join using the meeting link, okay? Then we can share and invite others. Now I will show you how to create shortcut for easy opening of this Google Meet application. Create shortcut and click open as Windows, enable it and create. And now close the website and open maximize this. Okay, now paste the link you copied and click on join. So you are the one who has full authority to organize this meet. And click on join now, and so now you are online. This option will show everyone who are in this meeting. You can see the list of people you have invited here. You can see this here, and this chat would enable people to chat. There are also more options here. Just minimize. Click. Now you can share your link to make people share your link and invite people to join your meeting. I'm joining my team here. Okay. So if a people have joined is going to join using your meeting link, it would be appearing like this. Just admit them. So your friend or your student is here. You are the one who is organizing, and the others are the listening people. Various viewing options are also there. So it would be appearing like this. You can change the viewing pattern by clicking on more options. You can see sidebar, spotlight, tilt, more options here, and you can also remove the people from your meeting using remove option. Okay, now you can, as like I've said earlier, you can see the start shortcut here of Google Meet. It would be easier for you to open. or else you have to go for a Google Chrome and search Google Meet. Now I will show you how to join a Google Meet link using your PC. Just open Google Play Store, type Google Meet and install the Google Meet application. Sign in with your record ID. Now go for the link. Just to tap on the link, open with Meet. So you are here in the meeting. Ask to join. As soon as the organizer of the meeting accepts your request, you are enabled to participate in the meeting. See, you have joined the meeting. Okay, that's all about the video. This Google Meet application is one of the easiest way for conducting online classes as well as online meetings, etc. If you have any doubts regarding this creation and joining using the Google Meet, you can just comment down here, or you can just ask over my Instagram ID. It will be provided below the description. If you like the video, you can just click on the like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.